Melly's murder case. He wants to hire new lawyers. The request before a judge would remove the team of lawyers who handled his first trial.
NBC6's Marissa Back is at the Broward County Courthouse with what this means moving forward. Marissa.
Well, this is certainly coming at a time when the overall case is in flux. YNW Melly's co-defendant just took a plea deal yesterday. His retrial, which was originally scheduled to start today, had been delayed over a year. Well, now the rapper is hitting the reset button on his own representation. A 7-page document puts a bombshell request from rapper YNW Melly in black and white. Melly, whose real name is Jamel Demons, wants a totally new legal team. The motion lays out 2 new attorneys to replace Raven Liberty, Stuart Adelstein, Daniel Aronson, and 2 others who have been representing Demons in his capital murder case for years. Demons is charged in the shooting deaths of 2 longtime friends back in October of 2018. Court documents reference a conflict of interest with attorney Raven Liberty, who is under investigation by the Broward Sheriff's Office. Little is known publicly about that investigation, but the mere existence of it is prompting Demons to change course. The motion reads, quote, "The current team may be unable to fully litigate this issue without fear of further recrimination in the criminal case against one of the team. Replacing attorneys at this stage of the game isn't unheard of."
Do you see it more frequently in high-profile capital cases?
Says defense attorney Josh Rydell, who's weighing in from the outside. But it could signal a change in strategy.
Something you could read into this is, especially the lawyers that are attempting to come in, specialize in different things, have different profiles, that could be something that the defendant wants in the case.
The judge considering the request on the heels of Demons' co-defendant, Cortland Henry, taking a plea deal.
I'm going to send it to you.
On Tuesday, Henry was sentenced to 10 years in prison when the judge found him guilty on witness tampering and accessory after-the-fact charges. And in exchange, the state dropped the 2 murder charges against Henry.
We may think that there's some correlation, but knowing the system and knowing how the system works, I don't think there's any correlation between the 2.
Now, the judge still has to sign off on this change in attorneys for it to take effect. What's interesting here is that the judge asked Demons back in January if he wanted to change his counsel because of this potential conflict of interest, and Demons said no. So clearly, he has changed.